So I'm starting this vlog on Friday. As you can see, I have new hair. So by the way, it's a wig if you are wondering. So I didn't upload any vlog last week because we were so busy with the moving, and obviously you can already see as well that we are not done yet. So I'm also only taking the camera right now because I was so busy at work. So I would have to get my nails done today because they're so gross right now. I was looking for a nail salon for a while and didn't find what I really wanted, especially since I'm so used to get Russian manicure, which are very different from the typical manicure that you can have. So doing my nails today, and we have a lot of cleaning as well at the apartment. We want to get rid of all the boxes, and yeah, we will try to get everything done this weekend so that finally we can start enjoying ourselves in this new city. So I will start working now and I will get to you a bit later. I just got back from the nail salon. I'm super glowy because, as you know, in Amsterdam we bike. So yeah, it was only a 10-minute bike, but since I'm still not used to biking every day and everywhere, I will be glowing like that. So I went with this super cute purpley color, like pastel purple or something like that, which I really love. I also went to Action, which is like a Dutch store. We also have it in France, so it's not in the US of course, but we do have it in France, and it's crazy because everything is so cheap in there. So I was so surprised with the total was only like €6, which is crazy for what I bought. I didn't bought anything exciting, so I only bought carpet tape, so for the kitchen's carpet. I also bought more tapes because we need to give back one furniture. I bought one big pot, like I don't know how you call that, but for my dog, which was crazy cheap, which is good. So for his water, I bought him some little toys as well. And then I went to Albertine and I bought him his favorite snack, which he hasn't eaten in about like 3 weeks, so he will be very happy with that. So we are getting there, and I don't know about you, but now that we have doors on the dressing, I feel so much better, because I used to have like that open packs dressing, and it's cute on Pinterest, but believe me, when you live with that, it's not that good. Like, you have to keep it tidy, otherwise you will just go crazy. So I feel like with doors, everything looks so much cleaner, minimalistic, and tidy. So that's why we bought doors this time. So me again in my office. So it's Monday. I know I haven't vlogged that much during the weekend, but we were very busy with the dressing and stuff. So as you can see, it is finally installed, which is super good. So I managed to organize all my clothing, which is great. So now I have other things to wear, which is amazing. As always, I'm working from home. I will be working from home the whole week this week. So I might be vlogging, and also since we are finally settling up, at least we are very well settled now, we will be able to see a bit more of the city, and I will be able to vlog a bit more of Amsterdam, which will be great, and I'm excited for that. So I will quickly show you the dressing, and then I think I will be wrapping up this vlog today to start a new one right after. So the idea is to start a new vlog every Monday and publish it every Wednesday. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's check the dressing. So let me show you quickly. So that's the entrance, and as you can see, we installed the doors and everything. I will go in depth once I will be doing the apartment tour, but that's how it's looking so far. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's looking right now, and we have the office space, which is great as we both work from home. So yeah, that is very exciting. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.